Oh my God.
Hi, I'm Giuseppe Baglioni and I'm a professional in the furniture industry. My specialty is office furniture and kitchens. I'm extremely proud to be able to introduce you now to a wonderful new concept that came from hard journey by those who work in the food and catering sectors. Is it called Passepartout? And quite simply, it is the perfect combination of a plate and a tray merged into one. Passepartout provides a perfect solution to the dilemma of how serve food to people on the move, like those socializing, for example, at cocktail parties or business functions. Passepartout is a revolutionary new concept with 2 international patents currently pending. This two-part video is specifically aimed at caterers and suppliers of disposable and reusable plate or dishes used for catering functions. Until now, they share a common need to solve the problem of how food can commercially be served in a user-friendly way for people on the move and where there is no flat surface available. The market needed something new and innovative, something that was practical and also cost efficient.
Evolution of nutrition and socialization. Evolution has always been an inexhaustible source of inspiration, and over time, the relationship with food and its sharing has changed. An elaboration of 2 basic needs, nutrition and socialization, is the inspiration that led to the concept, to reach as the ultimate goal the well-being of the product users. The frenetic rhythms of modern life favor standing parties or buffets, which, in certain circumstances, can be stressful, confusing. Gatherings, intrinsic difficulties in eating, and at the same time interacting socially, all the sources of stress, ceremonies, business events, and other such activities would deserve to be memorable in the positive sense of the term without any unpleasant feeling. Standing party advantages. Reduction of downtime, wide selection of dishes and drinks, greater interaction between participants. Disadvantages: direct socialization, interacting with those present, or indirect use of smartphone, more difficult though greater. Possible gatherings in the event of large participation. Standing and eating at the same time creates stress. The standing party becomes an exercise of skill and attention. It needs to be. Multitasking. What is multitasking? Wise division of the ability to focus and concentration, organization and self-control of thoughts and emotions being engaged simultaneously in two or more different activities. All this brings more stress. Multitasking for a man. Maximum 3 actions. 1. Dirtying the mirror. 2. Wetting also on the ground. 3. Wetting his face. Multitasking for a woman, usually while driving. Let's watch on ralenti. 1 hand at the wheel and 1 hand for smartphone. 1 hand to honk and 1 hand in the handbag. 1 hand to tune the radio and 1 hand for eating crackers. 1 hand puts on lipstick and 1 hand to fix the mirror. 1 hand on the gearbox and 1 hand to make horns. But in standing parties, it's a whole different thing.
Our objective was to create a product that would allow one free hand to be available while socializing at functions. This would enable people to shake hands, exchange business cards, or even answer the phone without necessarily interrupting their eating or drinking. Firstly, we had to design a basic support structure. Once this was in place, we created a way to secure glass to it. After that, we went on to develop a smart practical glasses to add to the structure, including a special way to secure bagel cutlery. Our creation solves many catering problems, including how to secure a napkin, how to enjoy sauces whilst eating, and where or how to dispose of waste. Speaking of bagel cutlery, just think about it. How would you ever go about opening a bag of cutlery if one hand is already holding a plate of food? We wanted to find a completely different approach to catering for standing guests or guests moving around. We needed to consider how they could easily interact whilst continuing to eat and drink, without spilling or messing anything on the floor that may cause others to slip and fall, and without ruining anybody's outfit or carpet. It can be extremely stressful not knowing what to do with an empty glass or a dirty napkin at social events. By reducing this stress, people can be free to relax and enjoy themselves.
Hi, I'm Allegra, and this is Passepartout.